All right, so we're going to go ahead and take apart this heavy duty garment rack. This was option one, how you could install it and use it as an extra freestanding closet. I'm going to go ahead and show you how simple and easy it is to go ahead and make it into the second way. So if you don't have that wide of a space, because the first option was 92 inches wide. If you don't have that big of a space to add a freestanding closet and you have just a corner, this one's perfect. This one is going to be 54 inches for each side of that corner, and it's still going to be 75.4 inches tall. So I am 5'4", but I do have to stand on my tippy toes to kind of get to the very top of this. Very easy to just take apart and move it around. So it's very customizable, which I love because if we are done using it in one room, I can go ahead and assemble it into another room and into a completely different style. And that way I can get so much more use out of it, which is a huge plus for me. Now we're going to use this in an actual hunting room to store hunting clothes and accessories. So what's great about that is this thing can hold up to 1,000 pounds. I was sent this to test out and we are so excited about it. We're going to get so much use out of this thing. It's going to just be able to store so much extra stuff. And it's great if you don't have the extra closet space. So as you can tell here, it's just very simple. I'm doing it by myself, no tools necessary. All you have to do is tighten them and voila. This will go into an actual corner and then it'll come out on each side. You can make these racks go higher or lower. So it's all depends on up to you. And if you want them to still come out wider, those bars in the middle will still expand. So as you can tell here, we have got it stacked full of hunting clothes, some hunting accessories, everything that's going to be needed for this room. This is in the corner style again, but this is just one way that you can store and use this heavy duty garment rack.